Watch what you're doing, Jordan. You're going to spill your bottle.
A bird. I need the apple. Apple.
Cheese. Oh, you're silly. Let me see big bubbles.
Huh?
Ooh, good one, Jordan. Oh, good one, Kimball.
Oh, yuck.
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 I got bad bubbles.
You got big bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got bad bubbles.
Yeah. Ooh, good one, Kimball. Woo. You are the bubble man. Oh, lots of bubbles. Oh, lots of bubbles.
Yuck.
Yuck.
That bubble, yuck.
Good one.
A bubble.
Kimball, how old are you?
2.
That's right. Is that how you are?
Yeah.
Tell me, what's a cow say? That's right. What's a tiger say? What's a puppy say? Woof. Okay. What's a duck say? What's a frog say? What's a frog say? He's green. That's right. I know. What's he say? He say rabbit. Rabbit. Yeah. What's?
Bad bubble.
Yeah.
Over big old bubble.
Yeah. Ooh, good one.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Bubbles.
I got bubble.
What's the turkey say? Gobble, 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 gobble. Ooh, good one.
Big bubble.
Can you sing your song for me?
No.
Yeah. How's it go? Wheels on the bus go round and round. Oh.
That bubble.
Wow.
It's a big bubble.
What's today? Saturday, June 9th? 2012.
More bubbles.
Oh, more bubbles? Okay, we'll go get some. We gotta get ready to go to the farm, too. So say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye, camera.
Bubble.
Okay.